Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful day, my friends. So should I get started with my econ? All right, now this is my first video for my econ. I've had it. My friends told me about it maybe about a month and a half ago. I signed up. I never really actually promoted, but you guys already know it's about to go in. So but this video is about you, not me. I'll tell you why I actually decided to jump into it. Some of you knows that I'm one of the top affiliates for MCA. Last year I did 6 figures with him, just coming on board with it. Built a massive team and I train people into what I'm doing. And the cool part is that my team duplicated. You know, I had my team duplicated over 10,000 people that brings on my team because of the trainings and ongoing coaching that I give them and help them. So when my friend came to me and said, hey, this opportunity is new, it's powerful, it's amazing, it's about credit repair.
If you enjoyed this video but haven't subscribed,
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen to yourself, guys. I can tell you can change your life. So I did a video which I'm gonna link up inside of here. It's on a strategy I use to build my credit. That's when I was doing MCA. Now I didn't know anything about MyEcon. I had to come up with a strategy myself because I was spending money on Facebook ads to get traffic. You know, you gotta invest into your business if you want it to grow. So I wanted to get traffic on Facebook, but here's the thing. I was using my own personal money, so I said, hey, what is a way that I could build my credit? So what I had to do personally was to go get credit card. I had to get a secure credit card because I couldn't even afford to. My credit sucked that bad that I wasn't approved for any major credit card. So I got a prepaid card, and then what I started doing was the strategy called credit utilization, because my credit utilization rate was a lot faster than the average person. So I get a $1,000 credit card and I go through the credit utilization rate like 7 to 10 times what a person would go in a month. Because I'll spend like $1,000 today, tomorrow I'll pay it off in 3 days, it clears again, I spend it again, and then I'll do that. Then they keep increasing my credit, it keeps on acting on my credit, and that's how I was able to build my credit in the 700. Now I put the video that shows you how my credit was built and the strategy behind it. But I didn't know anything about MyEcon, which is one of the new system, one of the new program that allow you, they give you so much benefits similar to MCA. But the best part is that I built a team with MCA. A lot of people, the residual sucks and they had chargebacks also. Now MCA is a great company, they always pay me every Friday, but when I compare the two, as far as advantages, as far as the money that I get to keep, now with MyEcon, what I love is the fact that you don't get any chargeback, which I think it's a powerful thing for a lot of us who's actually marketing and doing paid traffic, because we don't want to spend money into paid traffic to acquire customers. So let's say we're spending $20 to acquire every customer, and now let's say we spend $100 or $1,000, you know, with $20 per customer, we ended up getting 50 customers. And if 25 of those people, if they charge back, we might not get excited and we made $80 every time we pay $20 to get a customer. It'll be cool. But what happened now when those people, they ended up canceling or they ended up charging us back because they did not stay to the commitment of like 6 months or whatever the time frame is, we ended up getting charged back. So as a person who's looking to grow, if you're doing free marketing, it doesn't hurt you as bad because it's free. You know, you didn't pay for it, maybe it took you time, so it kind of leveraged your time. But if you're doing paid traffic where you're taking money out of your pocket, it's really gonna hurt you because you paid to acquire those leads, you paid to acquire those sales, and now you're getting charged back because now your work feels like it's in vain because all those people, they came through, and then, you know, a couple of months later or a couple of days, they decided, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna cancel, whatever their own reason they cancel. It really kills you, and I think this is really resonating with me. So should you join MyEcon, if you're looking to definitely look for strategy to fix your credit, if you're someone who's already doing MCA, if you was part of my team in MCA, let's go get it, because I'm about to go in. And you know, once I go in, I'm gonna give you the strategy that I'm using to go in. Like, I'm gonna give you my strategy on YouTube, how I rank for, you know, freaking crazy amount of videos when it comes to, you know, MCA and make money online. I'll teach you the strategy. You can actually duplicate the same thing. I have my team. It's one of the top team right now inside of the company. We do training every week, and we're gonna help you get it to the next level. So the key is that when you come in, if you're gonna join up, I always say that it's never gonna be the company that's gonna change your life. It's you and your skill set. So what I want you to understand is that you have people who's been doing this stuff that's gonna help you. Your main goal, the only thing you're gonna have to do is to follow direction and take action. You know, follow direction and take action every single day. Focus on your skill set. Focus on building, you know, building your list. Focus on getting traffic, getting leads, and making sales. And that way you can start seeing massive results for yourself and your team. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put a link down below this video. If you're interested into joining my team, you know, I've created 6 figures, multiple 6 figures with MCA, which was the program I was doing last year. Now this year I'm building a new team for MyEcon. So if you down, I'm creating a Facebook group, right? A Facebook group that's gonna be specifically for you. Once you join, then I'm gonna add you to the specific group, and then I'm gonna give you more details. I'll make a video on Friday. Today's not Friday yet, but I'm gonna make a video on Friday. You ain't got no job. We're gonna transition into that, which is gonna be one of the new business that I promote this year. All about multiple streams of income. And some of you will ask, Kate, are you quitting MCA? No, I'm not quitting. I'm just adding more income stream. It's not about, oh, I'm quitting this one is better to me. It's all about providing a service that people need. I'm still gonna be paying for my MCA membership because I'm still driving on the street. I can still use this benefit. I'm still traveling. I can still go somewhere and use the benefit. So I still need the product. I'm still gonna use it. So if I'm using a product, of course I'm gonna be an affiliate. I'm gonna refer people to it. I'm gonna tell them, hey, you can get this product. You can get discounts in travels. You can get discounts. You know, you can get a roadside assistant if your car breaks down. I still need those things. I'm still gonna be driving. And MyEcon now focus on credit repairs, and there's many other different, you know, products inside of there, which I'll tell you more on my Friday's video. That's gonna give you more explanation. But I'm gonna keep both. I'm gonna promote both. I'm gonna make money with both, and I'm gonna teach you how to make money with both. So if you down, you wanna join on a team of someone who already know what the hell they're doing. I built a team of over 10,000 people with MCA last year, and now we're about to do it again with this one. If you wanna be part of this team, definitely, I'm gonna put the link down below. Put a comment on this video, say, Cater, you know, I'm joining up. Cater, I'm ready, and I'm gonna send you the link. Get on my team. Now you're gonna be able to get access to all the things that I'm gonna put inside of my team. One of the things that I'm gonna do, you know, I'm big on paid traffic. I'm gonna do a paid traffic rotator for my team. So if you get on my team, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you on a rotator, and when I buy traffic, I'm gonna do it for the first 10 people that take action right now. I can't do it for everybody, because if I put 10,000 people on a rotator, it's like, damn, I have to buy 10,000 clicks or 100,000 clicks for everybody to get 10 clicks. It's not gonna be as effective. So the first 10 people right now that's watching this, you know, who actually take action, who goes in, I'm gonna put you on a rotator. And if you're watching this on a later on period of time, I'm gonna keep coming back and see people that's actually joining into this video. I'll put you on a rotator, I'll buy some traffic, and you're gonna have some traffic coming to your website. Now, I'm not saying that for you not to go do your own marketing. I'm just gonna do that as the courtesy of my team, because if you grow, I grow. If we build together, we grow. It's all good. You know, I want to help you in the beginning, but you definitely want to, you know, you want to hone the skill set of understanding how to make money, how to market, understanding how to get traffic, understanding how to get leads, which I'm going to start a new, series inside of this channel that's going to give you different skill set, just like I did with MC. A lot of you say those videos are so valuable. They help me so much, Cater. I've been able to go from not making any money to start making money. I follow the strategy, your strategy, and they work for me. So I'm going to do something similar to how I did with MCA. I'm gonna change it on Friday. you ain't got no job. So look out for those. But if you're looking for a video and say, hey, should you join MyEcon? Hopefully I give you some value. You know, I'm being very transparent with you. I haven't made any money yet in this company, but I know I'm gonna make money, right? The money's not a problem. So I haven't shown you any cash or any proof. You're not talking to someone who's gonna show you, oh man, I made $10,000 because I haven't made any money in it right now yet. Yeah, but will I make money? Hell yeah. Do I know how to make money? That's the secret. Once you know how to do certain things, there's no doubt in my mind. You see my eyes? There's absolutely no doubt that I'm gonna crush this. See, once you have a blueprint, you know how to do certain things, you can always do it. You can always reproduce the same results. That's why they say, yo, if you take someone who acquire the skill set to become a millionaire, right, and they lose all the millions they make, they already built the connection, they already built the resiliency, they already built the mindset. They can go out there and make it again. Meanwhile, if you give someone $1 million, if they lose it, if they never been able to create $1 million, they more likely will go broke. That's why people that plays the lottery and they win, more likely they go broke in like 5 years. They can never recreate that money because they didn't know how to make it. They didn't go to the process of making it. Reason I'm so confident in you and me, if you lock on with me, is because I've done it before and I can do it again, and I will do it again. I'll teach you exactly how to do it with me. If you didn't have time to join me in MCA, this is your time right now to actually join me in MyEcon. Let's log on together. Let's work together. Let's make this stuff happen. That was your boy Cater. I look forward to seeing you on the team. Let's get it. Let's go to a whole next level. I'm excited, baby. Let's go. Let's go do it. Take action below. Leave a comment. If you're joining up, say, Cater, I'm down for the team. Pound that. I'm down with you. Let's go. We're going to take it to the end of the earth, and you're going to crush it together. Anyway, guys, this is only for US and Canada. I know some of you will be asking me, yo, can I do this stuff in other countries? Some of you follow me in other places. Only US and Canada, guys. Let's go make it happen. That was your boy, Cater. I'll see you guys later. Take action.